Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever known a man who acts like a wolf, barks like a dog, but snitches like a squirrel under pressure? Yeah, me too. His name is Cherry, aka Gregory Lamont Caviness. Now this man, I use that term loosely. This man has been subliminally talking about your boy. Like, I don't know, he's watching my every move, my posts. You know he's there first, my podcasts. You know he's tuned in, like that shit's freaking gospel. But my live streams, he's reporting them in the dark, like a rat with a flashlight. Behind the scenes, this guy's filing flags. I'm sorry. If you think these are legit, then I feel sorry for you. And in front of the camera, this guy's pretending he's tough. Let me talk to you. Gregory Lamont Caviness is fake. In public and in private, he's the biggest rat you've ever seen. He's the type to walk past a mirror and flinch at his own reflection. That is why he has taken all his mirrors down from inside his home, motel room. This guy buys designer clothes with welfare money, rocks Gucci while on Medicaid. He's living out of a motel room, yet flexing like he's in a penthouse. Guys, he's got 2 cars, they're not in his name. Child support he had adjusted, I believe, from $50 a month to suspended, which means 0. Baby mama, Brittany McDonald's working old Cherry over baby Zuri's child support like baby Zuri is a punchline. He's claiming 0 income so he can rock Balenciaga on a food stamp diet. Tell me how you're out here playing Millionaire but checking in under your mama's address. So go ahead, report this shit too, Greg. I don't give a fuck. I'll take all the strikes as medals and make more channels, more and more. But I didn't even get a strike. That video was just removed, folks. Fear not. proV Unstoppable is here to stay. And still coming back harder. Because rats like you never kill lions. King lions like me. No. You just feed them. Thanks for listening, guys. Have a wonderful day. proV out.